Right guys, update for the Forex market for Wednesday. Today is the 6th of November, so let's get straight to it. Starting off with the Dixie, looks like we're going to get a major retracement up to higher levels. Basically what happened was this was the low of October. We rated the low of October and we've had a nice bullish rally up. Okay, so if we look on the 4 hour, we've basically broken structure to the upside, and I'm assuming that any pullback is an opportunity to long, okay, until we get up to a more premium price level. So anywhere around here, I'm looking for a failure swing to happen. Okay, now let's get rid of all this junk right here. Okay, so for today, I'm looking for a small pullback. Because we've hit this H4 order block. Assuming we'll get a small pullback into this level, or even this daily order block right here, before we see a continuation to upside. However, if we do manage just to regain this level, okay, we flip it, then we'll just see a continuation up into higher levels. Okay, I don't expect this level to hold. Alright, so yeah, 98.36 and 98.51. Yeah, those are my next levels if we gain this order block here. Okay, but now I'm looking for a pullback into this level. Euro pound, same exact shit happening. Still waiting for a raid of these lows to happen. If we look on the monthly, this is also the low of October, so I'm expecting the low of October to be raided right into a daily order block before we see any continuation to upside. Yeah, here's the daily order block, down candle for this whole rally up. There's going to be huge amounts of liquidity here, so I'll be waiting for the break in structure on the lower time frame. Alright, I'm not just gonna enter position as soon as I see a raid. Okay, I want to see a break in structure, and then I'll long it into this gap and this gap. Okay, so that's what I have for the euro pound. Okay, so for the cable, alright, we've had a raid of this swing high. Not really a key swing high, okay, but I'll consider it as a raid, as a stop hunt for the people that have been trailing their stop losses down. So I'll consider that as a raid. And if you look down on the lower time frame, we have had a broken structure. Okay, so this is the last low that produced this high. This is lower low. We expecting a retracement higher. Okay, why? Because this is Monday's range. Alright, we've managed to close back above Monday's range, and we've seen some nice support, so this will be considered as a deviation now. I'm looking for a long here into Monday's high. Okay, so that's a long I'll be taking. I'll see what happens during London. Probably get a better entry, but something like that. Okay, so I'll find a better entry, but if you just want to clear stop, that's where you're wrong, and I'll be targeting Monday's high. Okay, so as soon as that happens, I'm seeing a continuation down to the downside, but yeah, let's just keep it at that first. Alright, so for the cable, alright, we've had this daily raid of this low liquidity grab. We'll see what happens during London, but on a lower time frame, it's looking pretty good here, because formed an order block, tested the order block, pushed up higher. Let's see if we can do the same thing for this order block again. Push above higher, we just need to maintain this low where we hunted equal lows. Okay, so we need to maintain that. But for now, it's looking pretty good. We can fill in this price efficiency. Okay, your first target would be Monday's low here. So that could trade all the way back up into here, and from there it's either we stalled off, hit this daily order block and this this block here, or we flip it and we aim for the huge liquidity pool right here. Okay, if we manage to flip it here, if we flip this level, this can trade all the way back into this ghost block right here. Okay, so this is a daily ghost block right here. So if we flip that level, I'm assuming if we flip that level, which is Monday's low as well, I'm assuming we go all the way back into, we're hunting these this liquidity area here, and we're gonna hunt this daily order block right here. Okay, so that's what I have for the cable. Right, for the Aussie yen, I really want this to start selling off now. Basically what we've done is we've filled in this liquidity void right here, and we've basically raided last week's high right here. We've closed back below, so I'm looking for a lower time frame breakdown before I start hunting all of these swing lows. Okay, all of these swing lows. So eventually, where should it go into? I'm saying probably right here or something. Alright, so yeah, this is bullish trend. I'm assuming this is just gonna find some liquidity before it can continue uptrend. But for now, looks like it's really at a premium price, really how do you say it? Is it overboard? Overboard. Yeah, it's really overboard. So I'm assuming this is gonna start trending down now. I'm just waiting for a lower time frame breakdown to occur. You can see that's the failure swing happening. I'm gonna keep a close eye on this. If we break that low, okay, any retracement up, that's opportunity to start selling. Let's draw Monday's range on. So that's Monday's high, Monday's low, and that's Monday's high. Alright, so yeah, pretty much I'm just waiting for a breakdown below Monday's low. Alright, so maybe here I'll start shorting, but I'll be most confident there as soon as we break down below Monday's low, and I'll be hunting pretty much everything here. Okay, so that's what I've got for the Aussie yen.